N.R.T. here, guys. We got a new sponsor of the channel. It's iwiss. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. But they sent me some tools, some wire crimpers. Let's go ahead and unbox this one. See what model exactly is. That's what that one is right there. I got a discount code for you guys. It's N.R.T 5 to save yourself 5% at their website. This one is 14 to 24 gauge wire cutter crimper, I believe. Okay, there we go. That's how you open it. There's that one. These are very nice. Oh, they all have blocks on them. That's nice. Just want to do that. Okay, I believe this is your traditional wire crimper, which we're going to test that out. And got your small turnable one right here. I'll be reviewing more products from them in the future, and I look forward to working with them. And once again, that's N.R.T 5 to save yourself 5% at their website.